Hey guys, and welcome to this video lecture, how to create and use instance variables. So here we have our class we've made in the previous video tutorial. So we will go inside between these two curly braces below this comment, and first we need to start with its type. It can be a string, which is just a sequence of characters, and then we need to put a star because a string is actually a class, and here we kind of have like an object, or in other terms a pointer to that object in memory. If you don't understand these concepts, don't get too overwhelmed, because you will understand this as you go. And let's name it first name. And let's create another one, also a string. Let's name it last name. And another one of type integer, and we have a special type in Objective-C which is called integer, and this is not a class, this is just a primitive type. And we'll name it age. So this is how we create three instance variables. Now let's go inside the implementation file, and I didn't explain yet what's a method, but I will just show you, maybe you'll understand, and in the next videos I will explain more details about this. So we start with a minus sign or a dash. We put a pair of parentheses. Now type void, which is a special type. That means our method does not return anything. And now we need to type the actual name of our method. Let's name it show info, but it can be anything. And inside the curly braces we will write the actual functionality, and we will just use nslog to print a message to the console. And the message will be first name colon percent @, comma, last name colon percent @, comma, and age colon and percent d. Now after creating this string, we put a comma, and I like to leave a space to make it more readable, and we'll type the name of our first name variable, instance variable, which is first name, and this one will get replaced with the actual name, the actual value of first name. This one will get replaced with last name, or whatever string we put here. This one will get replaced with age, like this. And as you can see, we have a warning which says values of type integer should not be used as format arguments. Add an explicit cast to long instead, because integer is, I think it's type def as long or something. You see, it's type def as long, and for long we cannot use this format specifier. We need to use something like this. First we need to make a cast to long, and then we use %ld. Now let's go inside main.m file, and below the nslog hello world statement will do something like this. Person, but we first need to import this. Let's say p equals, and we need to person to allocate memory for this object, and then to initialize it. After this, we can do something like p square parentheses around it and show info. And if you try to compile, we have an error which says no visible interface for person, which means that this method, even with if we declared and defined it here, we didn't declare it inside the public interface. Let's put it here. So now the compiler knows that the person class has a show info method. And if we come back here, we can see that the error disappeared. If we try to run it now, we can see that everything is fine, but we have null values for first name and last name, which means they are not initialized, and 0 for age. And to fix this, go in the person.env file. On the top, just say first name equals to John. For example, last name equals to Doe, and age equals to 54 or something. Run again, and we can see that now everything is fine. We have John, we have Doe, and we have 54.